morning, YouTube. Hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. You know you want to. We're going to change the petcock on this 2007 Kawasaki 650 BruteForce. And first of all, you need to take this flap loose where you can get your box end wrench in there to get that left-hand side bolt out. And then the other bolt should be reachable with a extension and a 10mm socket. The old one's not hard to get out at all. Once you get that left-hand bolt out, then you pop the other three loose, and then you take a screwdriver or something big enough to pry it out with, and it'll pry right out, pop right out. But to return it, it's a little bit different story. I'll get with that in a minute. Notice here how the filter is broken and frayed and smashed down. It's one of the reasons we're changing this is to allow for better filtration. So whenever you get ready to put this back in, you'll want to take these 4 screws out, pull your 2 diaphragms out. Be careful. You want to make sure that you relocate them in exactly the same position. Take those screws completely out, set it on the tailgate, and slip your petcock in between the 2 braces. Then gently put the diaphragms and the extra layers back in there and thread them up and screw them down tight. Make sure that they're not going to leak. Once you have your petcock in place, you'll want to start your left-hand bolt on the left-hand side. It's the hardest one to get to. Get it started and start the other 3, the 2 in your fuel pump and the 1 in your fuel tank. Go ahead and pull those down tight to where they will not leak, and hook up your hoses. Your small hose goes to the front of the machine. Your larger hose goes to your fuel pump. One's a vacuum and one's a return. All right. All right. Now you're done. So go ahead and button down all your plastics. Crank the engine. Let it run. Let it build up pressure. Make sure you haven't got any leaks. Ride around the block a time or 2. Bring it back. Check it. Make sure you don't have any leaks still. And you're done. Wrap it up and call it a day. Do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to this video, and ring the bell, please. Thank you. God bless.